Welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel, guys. Today, we're going to talk about the Blessed Performance FICM and what it's going to do for your 6.0 Powerstroke. So, FICM tuning, it's a big question in today's world. Do you need it? Do you not? That's really what it all boils down to. FICM tuning, do you need it or do you not need it, and why?
Open up that door, old son.
FICM tuning, do you need it or do you not need it? Okay, so this is a big question and there's a lot of debates behind it, okay? 58, 48, which FICM tune is going to work the best for you? Well, we wanted to share some insights so you could better understand it. There's a couple different ways of tuning your 6.0 Powerstroke. There's the SCT with some custom tuning, there's an MPVI3, there's an Edge, and a couple other ones on the market that aren't really as popular. The SCT has been the #1 runner for years, okay? The SCT with some custom tuning because it really brings these trucks to life, and it also provides transmission tuning. But it doesn't do anything with the FICM. So then we came up with a FICM tuner. The FICM tuner comes with an Eco, which is about a 20 horsepower, an Atlas 40 or a PHP 40, an 80, and then a Hercules, which is equated to 100 horsepower. Well, Matt, can I get your extreme tune in 100 horsepower and make 290 horsepower? No, that's not correct at all. What the FICM does is it controls pulse width. With SCT CAN tuning, we scale the ICP sensor to create pulse width. So what ends up happening is, if you're running a PHP FICM, the Hercules one, paired with an extreme tune, all that you're doing is overlaying and then you're running out of ICP, which then you lose power. The ultimate solution is to pair an SCT custom tune with a Blessed Performance FICM tune, or the next thing to do is to use an HP tuning device to tune your truck, your ECM, your TCM, and your FICM. Now, I don't want to take away from SCT because it's been around for years. It's great, it's a wonderful product. We've made good power with SCT paired with a FICM tune. We have seen gains 100, 150 horsepower on the dyno just by loading a FICM tune. And that was it. What kind of FICM tunes can you get? Well, we offer several different options on our website, ranging from stock injectors all the way up to 250 plus cc injectors. And there is a difference in the tuning for that, okay? We have inductive heating, we have no inductive heating. Inductive heating, what is it? Inductive heating is designed to help your injectors warm up when it's cold. That's the best way to explain it. It's really good in the cold climates, good in the warmer climates. It's not gonna hurt anything, there's no cost on it. I recommend adding it, but some folks don't want it for whatever reason. That being said, I do recommend using it. We have everything from a 20 horsepower up to an all-out tune, I guess you could say. That's gonna be that tune for the bigger injector trucks where the guys are chasing that high horsepower number, where they're gonna run an SCT custom tune on the ECM and a TCM, and then do a Blessed Performance FICM tune on the FICM. For instance, we have a dealer of ours, Ridgetop Diesel. We've been working with them for years on their sled pull truck, okay? They're based out of Temecula, Wisconsin, not Winona, Minnesota. It's right across the border, okay? Anyways, they're based out of Temecula, Wisconsin. We do a lot of business with them. Great friends of mine. We talk to them almost daily. We've been working on their sled pull truck for a couple years. When we finally got them to send me their FICM and got a custom FICM tune on it, we saw the truck come to life on the dyno. That made it to where it made over 4-digit horsepower. It made 980 on fuel, and then with spray it made like 1140, I want to say, 1160. It was pretty awesome. But we finally hit the numbers we were hoping to hit on the dyno. Truck pulls absolutely phenomenal. We're able to see that 2.4 to 2.6 pulse width going down the track, and it's actually able to hold that. That's what you're looking for. So what I recommend doing is give us a call, 1-800-577-2698, Monday through Thursday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Our phones are on to answer and to talk to you about this. Talk to one of our experts about some FICM tuning and whether or not your 6.0 Powerstroke needs it. Honestly, if you own one, you need a FICM tune. Talk about instant throttle response, faster startups, better fuel mileage, good cold starts. All of that's gonna happen with a FICM tune. So I highly recommend you reach out to us and get yourself a custom FICM tune for Blessed Performance. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, check out Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. I think we got it all. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a blessed day.